A new study out of China is once again generating debate about the ethics of genetic re-engineering, this time involving animals implanted with human genes. RT correspondent John Huddy has more on the story.
I did not start this war.
It's a climactic scene from the Planet of the Apes, but this story isn't about that movie or a preview of even the next one, whenever that may be. This story is about real monkeys with real human genes. In a study published last month in the Chinese journal National Science Review, a group of Chinese scientists report that they created a new type of monkey with a human brain gene. The researchers say they implanted the so-called MCPH1 gene into the embryos of 11 transgenic rhesus monkeys. 6 of the monkeys died during the research, but 5 lived. According to the study, the surviving monkeys, quote, exhibited better short-term memory and shorter reaction time compared to other regular monkeys in the sample. They were tested with MRI brain scans and memory functions using colors and block pictures. While the 5 monkeys' brains were not larger than their counterparts, they did develop over a longer period, typical of human brains, particularly that of children. The scientists described their work as the first attempt to experimentally interrogate the genetic basis of the human brain origin using a transgenic monkey model, and it values the use of non-human primates in understanding human unique traits. Translation: to help determine how the human brain developed using a monkey. But some scientists contend that a study involving just 5 monkeys isn't large enough to garner conclusive results, and not everyone is happy about this type of science being performed in the first place. Many scientists contend that genetic re-engineering is a slippery slope ethically. University of Colorado bioethicist Jacqueline Glover, in an interview with the MIT Technology Review, even compared the experiment to Planet of the Apes, saying, quote, to humanize them is to cause harm. Of the 19 scientists listed in the study, only one is a Westerner, Dr. Martin Steiner, a University of North Carolina computer scientist, who said his role was limited to showing Chinese students how to pull information from MRI images, and that he's considering taking his name off the study. Steiner told MIT that there are a bunch of aspects of this study that you could not do in the U.S. It raised issues about the type of research and whether the animals were properly cared for. Maybe so, but it's unlikely these type of studies will stop. China has fewer restrictions than the United States, Europe, and Canada. In fact, one of the lead scientists involved in this latest experiment, Dr. Su, who is a geneticist at the Kunming Institute of Zoology, says he's already added the gene to other monkeys and is waiting for the results.
Take your stinking paw off me, you damn dirty ape!
For the news with Rick Sanchez, John Huddy, RT.
I'm Rick Sanchez. You found us on YouTube, and that's awesome. But you know what? I'm also live every night at 7 and 8 p.m. Eastern on DirecTV and Dish and cable and satellite, the RT app, and Pluto TV. I'll see you there.